Ya Alimu, make it easy for us. Today lesson is alphabets. A. Capital A. Small a. B. Capital B. Small b. C. Capital C. Small c. D. Capital D. Small d. E. Capital E. Small e. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Next is F. Capital F. Small f. G. Capital G. Small g. H. Capital H. Small h. I. I. Capital I. Small I. Capital J. Small j. K. Capital K. Small k. MashaAllah. Next is L. Capital L. Small l. Capital M. Small m. Capital N. Small n. Capital O. Small o. Capital P. Small p. MashaAllah. Next is Q. Capital Q. Small q. R. Capital R. Small r. S. Capital S. Small s. T. Capital T. Small t. U. Capital U. Small u. MashaAllah. Next is V. Capital V. Small v. Capital W. Small w. Capital X. Small x. Capital Y. Small y. Capital Z. Small z. MashaAllah. You have learned alphabets. Now we will learn sky letters, B, glass letters, root letters. Sky letters: B, D, F.
Sky letters stay on first 3 lines. There are 4 lines in English. Just look at these lines. This is line number 1. This is line number 2. This is line number 3. And this is line number 4. There are 4 lines in English. Line number 1, 2, 3 contains sky letters. Sky letters are B, D, F, H, K, L और capital I, T. Then you will also write down these letters so that you can remember these are sky letters. Next are gross letters. Gross letters are on the line number 2 and 3. Small a, small c, small e, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, and Z are called gross letters. Finally, there are root letters. Root letters stay on line number 2, 3, and 4. Root letters are G, J, P, Q, Y. Then you will write down these letters to practice them.